This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a program which will write a program for chapter subprogram and file handling of GWS programming language, and the program is like write. We will write a main routine that uses subroutine 200 and 400 to print a block letter E. So we'll switch to the IDE where we'll write it down in a program and we'll execute it and see how this program is executed and how the subroutine 200 and 400 can be used to print a block letter E. So let's switch to the IDE viewers. In line 10 we will type CLS, line 20 we will type go sub 200, line 30 we will type go sub 400, line 40 we will type go sub again 200, line 50 we will type go sub 400, line 60 we will type go sub 200 once again, line 70 we will type E and E, and line 200 we will type print E space 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 times we will type print E, block letter E. Line 210 we will type return, line 220, line 400 we will type print E, line 410 we will type print E, line 420 print E, line 430 we will type return. Now we will execute this program. First we will save this program, press the F4 key and type block E dot, or you can call it sub E dot BAS. Press the F2 key, so you can see that we can see block of letters E, like this E and then this E and this E, because all these are used by using the go sub statement. So let's switch to the text area where I will explain how this complete E, a big E, is written with the help of letters E, block letters E. We have displayed a big E like this, a letter E, by using the E statement, by using subroutines, subprograms. So let's switch to the text area where I will explain the execution of each and every line used in this program for your better understanding and concept building. So let's switch to the text area viewers. Here we are viewers. So I'm gonna interpret this program in line 10. Okay, in line 10, CLS statement is used to clear the contents of the screen. In line 20, subroutine is used to transfer the control to line 200, which will actually display block letter E 9 times in a row on the screen. In line 30, go sub 40 is used. It's a statement which will transfer control to line 400, which will display E on the screen. Line 40, okay, you can see 3 times. So as soon as the transfer is controlled to 40 to 400, line 30, you can see goes to 400 is used. So the control will be transferred from line 30 to line 400, and here you can see print E is used. But here right after this you can see 410, 420, all these lines will be executed unless the return statement is found. So you can see that after displaying this E, block letter E on the screen 9 times in one row, E and then E and then E will be displayed on the screen. So this goes up will transfer the control to line 400, and after line 400 line 410 will be executed, and right after that line 420 will be executed unless the return statement is found. And then you can see that right after line 420, line 430 is here. It will actually return the transfer and transfer the control from here to again to the goes up to line 40, which is goes up 200. And 200 again you can see EE can be seen on the screen. So I'm gonna explain it in line 40. So line 40 is used to transfer control to line 400, which will display E on the screen, and then line 410 will be executed, which will display E on the screen, and then line 420 will be executed, which will again display E on the screen. So you can see that this E was used in line 200, and this first time when the cursor will be transferred to the line 200, this E will be displayed on the screen, and this E is displayed with the help of the line 400, which will only display E on the screen, and this E is displayed with the help of the line 410, which is used to display E one time on the screen, and this 420 line 420 is used to display again E on the screen, which will display E one time on the screen. So this E and E is displayed on the screens, are displayed on the screen with the help of line 400, 410 and 420. Line 440 goes up 200 is again used, which will, you can see in line 40 goes up 200 is used. Here you can see on the screen line 40 goes up 200 is used, which will display, which will transfer the control to line 200 and display block letter E 9 times in a row on the screen. So this line 40 will actually transfer the control to line 200, and these 9 E's, block letters E's, are displayed on the screen with the help of line 40, because this line 40 doesn't do anything, and in this line goes up to 200 is used, so the control will be transferred to line 200, and this EEE is displayed on the screen with the help of line 40. Okay, in line 50, okay, in line goes up 200, you can again see 50, line 400 is used. Right after that, you can see control will be transferred to line 200, and right after line 200, line 40, you can see line 50, which will again transfer the control to line 400. So in line 50 goes up 400 is used, which will execute, which will transfer the control to line 400, which will display block letter E on the screen one time, and then line 4 then will be executed, which will display block letter E on the screen one time, and then line 420 will be executed in the same manner I have given the explanation over here, and 40 will be executed, which will display block letter E on the screen one time. So you can see right after that line 40 goes up to 200 was used, which displayed EE on the screen, and this line 50 goes up for 400 is again used, so this will transfer the control to line 400, which will display this E on the screen. Line number 410 will display this E on the screen, and this line 420 will display this E on the screen. So in line 60, you can see goes up 200 is used, means that finally this EE 9 times block letters E 9 times will be displayed in one row on the screen. So this finally you will get these E's on the screen, the block letters 9 times. This is the final line, and after that return statement is used, which will actually return to the go sub, and after that you can see the E and the end is used. So line 60 will be the final line. So as soon the return statement is return will be transferred to line number 60, and right after that line 70 will be executed. So E and the end means that program will be terminated and will stop its execution. Okay, in line 60, okay, goes up 200 is used once again, or I can copy the text from over here to over there, over here, over there. So goes up 200 is used to transfer the control to line 200, display block letter E 9 times in a row on the screen. In line 70, E and D, the end statement, is used to close and the GWBasic main program. That's all viewers. That's the whole explanation, interpretation of this program, and I have explained each and every line how this program is executed by using Go subroutines. The help of these subroutines called in the main program, we can get the output of block letter E, and can type a print block letter E like this E. With the help of all these letters, we can type a block letter E like this very big E on the screen. That's all viewers. Thanks for watching.